Midjourney is known as one of the best AI image tools in the world. But what if I told you that in 2026, you can use it completely free, with unlimited images and even videos, and no payment required? Midjourney is widely recognized as one of the most advanced AI image generators available today. It was also one of the earliest platforms to introduce text-to-image creation to the public. The image quality is exceptional, but there has always been one major downside. Midjourney is not free. To use it officially, you normally need a paid subscription. But what if you could generate unlimited images and even videos using Midjourney without paying anything? It sounds almost impossible, but in this video, I will show you exactly how it works. And more importantly, I will prove it live. This is the platform that gives you free access. Once you open it, you can already see several images I created earlier. To make sure this is real and not just theory, we are going to test Midjourney live using prompts. And make sure you watch closely, because in a few minutes, I will show you the exact settings that make these results look identical to paid Midjourney output. Go to the Create section. Here, you will see options for both image generation and video generation. First, choose the image model. Inside the Create tab, confirm that the image option is selected. Below that, you will find multiple settings. One of the most important is the aspect ratio, which you can adjust based on your project needs. Next, scroll down to the Aesthetics section. This is where you control the stylization value, similar to what you get on the official Midjourney platform. You can adjust this depending on your style preference. Later in the video, I will explain the best values to use. For now, keep it between 70 and 90. Now let's enter a prompt. A futuristic city glowing under heavy rain at night, neon reflection on a wet street, cyberpunk atmosphere, then click Generate. And here are the results. Just by looking at these images, you can instantly recognize the Midjourney look, especially if you have used it before. Pay attention to the fine details, surface textures, neon reflections, and the cyberpunk atmosphere. This is exactly what official Midjourney output looks like. Now let's try another prompt. A cinematic still of a woman holding back tears. Here are the results again. Once more, the Midjourney style is very clear. Notice the detailed facial textures, cinematic lighting, realistic color grading, and overall depth. This does not look like a basic AI generator, it looks premium. And in just a moment, I will directly compare this with official Midjourney results, so you can judge for yourself how close this really is. On the right side, you will also notice additional style controls. These include restyle options, which allow you to transform the image into 3D, anime, paper art, illustration, or cinematic styles. These presets give you a lot of creative flexibility depending on your goal. Now let's test another prompt and compare it directly with standard Midjourney output, a realistic anime film scene. Here is the result. When you place this next to an official Midjourney image, the similarity is very clear. The colors, visual tone, and overall quality are nearly identical. Any small differences mostly come from stylization values, not the model itself. At this point, it becomes obvious that this tool is actually using Midjourney level generation. Now let me share a few settings that will dramatically improve your results. First, enter your prompt. A cinematic close-up of an action movie heroine. If you want very raw and unprocessed output, set the stylization slider to 0. This gives you a more basic image. However, if you want stronger realism, better style, and higher visual quality, keep the stylization between 70 and 80. This step is extremely important. You can also add words like 8K or realistic to your prompt. In addition, you can include parameters like version 7 to make sure you are using the latest Midjourney model. But the two most critical factors are version 7 and the correct stylization range. Look at this result. Compared to the earlier output, this image looks far more refined. The depth is stronger, the details are sharper, and the cinematic quality is much higher. The improvement is very noticeable. And this is where things get even more interesting, because now we move from images to AI video generation. And this part surprises almost everyone. Now let's talk about video creation. You have two options here. You can upload your own image, or you can animate an image that already exists. For example, if I select this image, you will see an option to animate it. When you click Animate, the tool automatically uses the same prompt that was used to generate the image. If you choose Custom Animate, you can write a new prompt and even add your own sound effects. Here are the video results. As you can see, the animation is smooth, natural, and visually consistent. Now I generate a video from an image by simply uploading it. I do not change anything, I just press the Animate button, and here is the result. Next, I add a few custom prompts. Here is the updated result. You can see how impressive this looks. The biggest advantage of this tool is that you can generate multiple images, select the one you like, and instantly turn it into a video. I also tested the restyle feature on videos. Here is the restyled result. And now look at this final output. It looks realistic, smooth, and extremely high quality. All of these are fully AI-generated videos. This means you are not only getting a free AI image generator, but also a free AI video generator. And this is not a low-quality or open-source tool. This is Midjourney level output that normally costs money. You can clearly see the live proof on screen. Every image and video was generated right here. Right now, you can access all of this for free using Meta AI. You will find the link in the description below. Make sure to take advantage of this while it is still available, because there is no guarantee it will remain free forever. That's it for today. If you enjoy content like this, share, subscribe to the channel.